All right, everyone, so welcome back. We are back out here on Oshkosh, in Oshkosh, not on Oshkosh, in Oshkosh on the Fox River. We had a little change of plan this morning. I stopped at the BP, no minnows. I called around, no minnows around the bait shop. So I'm gonna make an intro before the sun start peeking out, and then I'm gonna look really orange during the edit, like last time. But anyways, today we're gonna be using Gopro. Hopefully we can get some decent white bass. Our goal here is to catch some white bass and have a good time. So with that being said, I hope I could teach you guys something today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, I'll see you guys. We're already on the water. Let's do this. So because we don't have much of a live bait bite, right? Like we don't have any live bait on us, I'm gonna go ahead and do some side scanning first. As you guys can see there's a bunch of fish below the boat. This is the down imaging, and this is the side imaging, right? There's a few fish. I want to say those are catfish and drums. It could be walleyes and white bass in there too, but because the idea is to find active fish, right? We don't have live baits anymore, so we need to find fish that are willing to react and willing to bite plastic. Because plastic, you got to put a little more work into it. You got to, geez, all the seagulls. Plastic, you really got to trigger them to bite. I don't have a trolling motor, as you guys know. It took a crap on me. So there's a ton of seagulls here. I'm assuming there's big fish roaming around. I'm gonna go ahead and go under this bridge area real quick, drive around and see if we can find something. Once I find something, hopefully I can like show you guys what I'm talking about. So you guys see that at the bottom? Right there. There's all that nice structures at the bottom. Don't worry about that. That's just my interference because I went too close to the wall. But you guys can see that right there. All of this is like laydowns, rocks, snags, areas that walleyes and white bass would like to hang out on. It's around 8 feet, 7 feet here. It's gonna go back up, so I'm gonna turn back around. And it was pretty deep there too, so those are nice structures. And there's a few fish, you know, you see a few freckles out there, so I'm assuming those are baby white bass or drums or whatever. We're gonna turn around and scan it one more time to see if it's true, okay? I wanna see if I can show you guys here exactly what I'm trying to target. Just a little bit. We're going 1.7 miles. See if I can scan it here for you guys. I'm trying to look ahead too. I don't want to hit my head on the pillars here, the top. So the wall's right there, meaning that's pretty close to our left. There's a few freckles to our right. So I'm assuming those are white bass over there. You guys see those structures coming up? Those are some nice structures right there. You guys see that? Boom. So we're gonna go ahead and try to work this area for a little bit. All right, so what do I do with that bag? So I might end up throwing like just reaction plastics, you know. We got Gopro, I just picked it up. We're gonna throw Gopro around and see if we catch something big, you know. Man, that sun is brutal. Go. There we go. Nice white bass. Yeah! Ha ha ha! As soon as it dropped, he grabbed it. First white bass of the day. I knew there was something here, just had to wait. See, I wasn't crazy, guys. I stuck around to that structure. We got a nice white bass on a gulp minnow. Yeah, that's a nice one. It's bleeding all over the place, so we're gonna go ahead and dump it in here real quick. There we go. There's white bass. Well, they're here somewhere. Oh, dude, it broke me off. It broke me off, dude. Oh well. All right, let's try it again. Something just broke me off in there, so it's a good sign. So I don't need to use all of them, but if I do, then I do. At least I know I tried, right? Gosh, I can't see. There we go. Sit down for a little bit. Got him. That's a nice one. Yeah, we found them. Just like I said, find that structure, you'll find yourself some nice white bass. There you go, guys. Fish number 2. Crushed it too. It broke me off, bro. Again. Dang. These fish are aggressive. And I know I'm using a soft enough tip too. It's not like I'm not. They're just hammering it hard as heck, man. There we go. Got another one. Dude, these things are aggressive as heck, man. Wow. Just like that. Look at how they're eating this gulp. This is why they're cutting me. Look at this. That thing is gone. Like, absolutely gone. Like, why are they so aggressive today? Got him. Oh my gosh, dude. Going nuts over there. Dude fights so hard. What is this? Oh, it's a big white bass. Nope, I'm not gonna bow flip this guy. Dang, man. It's crazy. Back to back. It's another nice one. Gosh, I'm going nuts over there. They're yanking the rod out of my hand. There's another one on that gulp minnow. Dude, it's crazy. Never give up. Danny, I got big fish. Oh my gosh. Danny, I got big fish, dude. Dude, thing's huge. It's a flathead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a giant. Dude, Danny, it's a giant. It's a fucking giant, dude. Oh my gosh. That's a flat, dude. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's a flat, dude. It's a freaking flat. He hit my gulp. Oh my gosh. Bro, I knew he was here. I knew he was here. Oh my gosh. I broke off earlier, dude. I'm about to throw up, dude. Oh my god. Bro, that thing's massive. This thing is massive. 8 pound test only. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing's huge, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's pulling my boat and I'm anchored down. He's trying to go into the snag. There's a snag up there. There's a log. No, don't go to the snag. Don't go to the snag. Please don't go to the snag. Dude, he's turning my boat. Yep, I got the net. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's pulling really hard. It's pulling really hard, dude. My rod is soft too. Oh my gosh. Oh no, battery's dying. My GoPro chest battery's dying. My battery's dying, so hopefully I can land them for you guys. My freaking battery's dead. It's the size of me. Look at this thing, guys. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. It's freaking massive. Wow. Dude.
It's a monster.
Dude, it's so big. It's so big. Keep it in the water. I need to calm down. This thing is at least freaking 30 pounds, 40 pounds. But look at how big that fish is. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's so freaking huge. I'm gonna put him back in the net and let it rest up and then get some pictures and let it go. Wow, unbelievable. This clip can hold on to it. Yep. I don't know if you can see it. We got 30 pounds, 30 pounds and 1 ounce. 30 pounds and 2, 30 pounds and 3, 30 pounds, 1 ounce, guys. Oh my gosh. Here you go. It's freaking massive, dude. Alright, put him in the, I'm gonna let him go right here. So heavy, I can't even control. There he goes, swim it off. Easy, it's off. Unbelievable fight. So, oh my gosh. Got a nice one. Dude freaking crushed it. Got another one. There's stacked, dude. Oh, Dad said he wants some, so keep him. Said Dad said he wants some, so we'll keep him. That's cool. I'm just making video. Lonely. Oh, I got one. That's a nice one. Man, they're crushing it. Hold on, stay on. You're good luck. Sheesh. We got white bass, guys. Tons of them. Oh, gosh. Man, they're just destroying my plastic. Sorry if it's loud. That's white bass. I'm just talking to the video. That's a wrap. That was awesome. I think it's time to go home. We caught a lot. I caught that one nice flathead. Absolutely made my day. Like, I knew that just reading off of that structure, I knew there was a big fish there. It was either going to be a walleye or a big flat or a channel something. And sure enough, just a few casts, a few jigging, and then they just absolutely destroyed it. At one point I thought it was a big channel, but then when I saw those when the bubbles came up and it did its own like eruption thingy, I knew it was a giant flat, and sure enough, we were able to pull that out. It was a 30 pounds and 1 ounce. 30 pounds one, 30 pound two, around there. Let's just say 30 pounds, and it was absolutely amazing. That was so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going home, like I'm done. I caught like 20 white bass 30s, you guys see. It was non-stop hook set. I think that's enough for me. I love it when the day goes well like that. I can just catch my fish, make content for you guys, and get the heck out of here. So with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Right out here.